Well, we're going to go explore the downtown of Leadville and take some pictures. It's a little chilly this morning. I think it's probably in the 50s. What's that, like 10 degrees Celsius, 12? It's only supposed to be in the low 60s today, with passing showers. And when they come down hard. There's mountains over there shrouded in clouds. But we're gonna take some pictures of the downtown. The Tabor Opera House is under major renovations. You can see the scaffolding on the front. It is expected to take several years to complete. See the link in the description if you'd like more information on their efforts. Rye whiskey, cigars, specialty ale and beer. Just what every traveler needs. I could picture somebody, a miner or whatever, tying his horse or burro up here, coming into a store, picking up provisions. Just like in the westerns. This artwork and this plaque that I took a picture of is on the front wall of the Community Bank of Colorado. And one of the National Guard units that I was in at one point was affiliated, was a subordinate unit of the 10th Mountain Division. So that was interesting. I was not aware of the lineage here to the Rocky Mountains. Steaks and spirits. Might have to have a look at the menu. The banner in the window says, "Not all witches live in Salem." Iris Moon Emporium. Only you can prevent drama. Colorado Fly Fishing Guides, Arkansas River Headwaters, Fly Shop, Guided Fishing, and those are the flows at the rivers, I guess. 331 cubic feet, 440, 710. I don't know how that compares to normal or what is, but that's interesting. I guess that is important with fishing. Fly fishing. Never done it. So this is Gigi's General Gobsmacking Goods. Looks like artisanal things. And I have an appreciation for these clocks because I have a plan on how to make clocks myself. So I appreciate the artwork. Mine would be completely different, but I appreciate it. And here's a look from across the other side of the street, which will probably come back on that side. Before and after, coffee and cocktails. Open 7 to 10 daily. Oh, you get to see me in the reflection. Leadville Exchange Consignment Shop. And the Manhattan Bar. High Altitude Thirst Aid Center at 10,152 feet. Leadville PBR. So now we found the Firehouse General Store and the Rock Hut, Golden Borough Cafe, Melanzana, Leadville, Colorado, outdoor clothing, and the sign up above it says made in Leadville, and right here it says made in Leadville. Nice. So we've come to the kind of the end of the main street. And I think this is the museum we looked at online. Nope, I guess it's the municipal offices. And there's a hard turn here. And I'm not sure how much more there is up around the bend here, because we actually came down that street defying Google Maps as directions because we were looking around for different stuff. Wonder if how many of you like that kind of architecture. I think it's pretty cool. There's a beautiful chimney with that spire. And we're going to head over there to look at that mining equipment and pass on down this side of the street. So this is right by the old visitor center on the curve coming down the main street, and it's a superstructure for some kind of cantilever winch system to bring mine products out. And they have a cart here that those would be emptied into to be checked for whatever they were mining for. It's amazing the work that people did with very little advanced tools and so forth. This is more a little bit of the modern type products. Rocky Top toys and gifts. So true. In the age of information, ignorance is a choice. little small park. North Leadville. I should hurry in and get a chair. Aspen Leaf Realty, we were looking at some of these properties being offered. I think it's kind of equivalent to what you would find back in Maine. And another look at the opposite. And here's a thrift store. Oh look, New Balance sneakers. The Colorado chapter, world's highest shrine club. So the Sayer McKee building has a couple of restaurants, the Tree Line and Silver Llama. And if you note, there's a sign to the left of the walkway there that says no pets allowed. So we can't go in because Barbara couldn't bring me. Since 1987, Aspen Traders. Consignment store.
Yeah.
So it looks like they have some really nice quality things here. The county courthouse. I imagine this is where you hang out waiting for your docket number. Western Hardware Company, an antique mall. Buki or Bucci Cafe Cubano. Again, another place that Barbara couldn't bring me in. Open, come on in. It's across from Leadville's legendary saloon, best Wild West saloon in America. And that's opposite from the Tabor Opera House, which is under construction, but I want you to have a look at that from across the street. we might have to come back here just to say we went into the saloon. Yeah, I'm not sure what this place is. There's no signs. And here's another bike shop. Oh, it's a restaurant.